Again, Pidana. Good morning, everybody. Welcome. We're just starting out, and look at that. We made history. New all-time high. What a surprise, right? All-time high. I guess the market is priced in. The market is priced in already. So a little bit difficult to decide what to do in a London session like this. Jonathan, hey, we only go up. Yeah, this is probably the most bullish market ever in the history of humankind, humanity. Look at this. Daily, weekly, nothing stopping this. And I'm telling you guys, I think we're not gonna stop until 20k. No stopping until 20k. I'm so sure. Like, it's such a whole number, and the market really wants to see that. I think we're not gonna stop until we reach 20k. I can easily imagine that from here we can go up all the way to the whole numbers. And by the way, good morning. I'm sorry. Yeah, going up. So hard to decide what position to take under these conditions. We have a sell side liquidity here at, well, we can say that this is Asia low, but it's not really. But let's just say it is. Bess, good morning. Good to see you. All right. All right. DM, good morning. Does Rhythmic connect? Let me check. I just started my quant hour. BULENOX connected. TOPSTEP is connected. Apex, there is a problem. Trading system connection login failed. Please contact your FCMIB who issued your login ID for assistance. I don't know. It seems like it's not doing it. I might try to reconnect again. So BULENOX is connecting, TOPSTEP is all right, so they are both rhythmic. I'm not connected to MyFundedFutures yet, but yeah, seems like there is an issue on Apex side. They did a reset. Okay, so connection error. I can't connect to Apex this morning. Login failed. Please contact the FCBIB. All right. So I don't know what the hell is going on. I guess it's the usual stuff. Anna, good morning, Anna. Thinkorswim was having issues today. Oh, TraderWeight works. All right. Avan Trading View. That's good. That's good. Good morning. Tamas 555. Are you Hungarian? Oh, hey there. Rhythmic not connecting for me either. 3 seconds. Yeah, it's not connecting to me as well. Good morning, Albert. There is something on Discord. So this is what they wrote on Discord. I hope you're doing well. I wanted to personally reach out regarding the server outages, blah, blah, blah. Has been incredibly frustrating, disruptive for you, and I'm genuinely sorry for the inconvenience. At Apex Trader, we are one of the customers, your product community. We truly value our trusted, blah, blah, blah. Help make things right. Reset all Rhythmic accounts that even been negatively impacted on Sunday. Our top priority is to get you back trading smoothly as possible. We're working on tirelessly when there is blah blah blah. Ensuring. Okay. Continued. Okay, so nothing about the error. I can't. Okay, they just pushed it now. I can't even reply to this. So listen, this is due to Rhythmic applying the fix as we speak. Trading for all Rhythmic users will be halted until fully complete to ensure the process is as fast and smooth as possible. You will not be able to log in your Rhythmic trader in the meantime. The reports are okay. So here's the answer. They are disconnecting everybody, so we're not able to log into Rhythmic. So they choose to do this. Okay, so I think until the issue is not fixed, we cannot log in to Apex Rhythmic accounts. On BULENOX it's working, so I guess I'm gonna go with BULENOX until the time being. Yeah, I have 1, 2. Okay, I'm gonna go with BULENOX then. I have no other choice right now. And maybe MyFundedFutures too, but I didn't want to trade that this morning. I may do that. Apex. Okay, I'm gonna go with Bule, and that's it. I was about to go along, but Apex Rhythmic, yeah, they don't let anybody log in. Good morning, Crypto Panda. BULENOX works, yes. BULENOX is working fine. So I'm switching to BULENOX this London session. Honestly, I understand them, but they really need, yeah, they should send an email. It would be much better, I think, much better to get people to understand. There's another more recent message on Discord. Yeah, I just checked it. Yes. Not much. Yeah. So basically, they won't let us to log into Apex Rhythmic accounts until they fix the issue. That's all we need to know. The good thing is we can go with BULENOX, and MyFundedFutures still has Rhythmic connection, so, or other ones. By the way, the BULENOX sale is still on today. Last day they said. I mean, they didn't say it, but they changed it one more day after yesterday. So the 90% sale is still on at BULENOX if anybody wants to, you know, dive into CPI and FOMC today. I wonder how long is it going to take to fix the issue. How long it take to get payout from Apex? About 15-16 days. Some people were getting it after 3 weeks. From the moment submitting your withdrawal request until the money arrive into your account, it's about 3 weeks, at least 2 weeks. That's the bare minimum. I mean, not the bare minimum, but usually it depends on when you put on your withdrawal request, but usually 2 weeks. But I know a guy in person here. He received it after 3 weeks, which is just as they stating on their website. So if you submit a ticket until the 5th of every month, you're going to get approved between the 15th and the 20th. And the wire transfer may take up to 3 to 5 business days. So that's about 2 to 3 weeks. TOPSTEP is good. Also, MyFundedFutures has the money on your account in 1 day. The latest I heard was 4 hours. 4 hours was the latest I heard on Discord. So you submit the withdrawal ticket at MyFundedFutures, and the money was on your account in 4 hours. Also, the same goes for Take Profit Trader. you submit your ticket, and in a few hours you have your money. So those are the fastest ones. Again, that was the all-time record at MyFundedFutures that I heard. I received, I submitted the withdrawal request in London session. I received the money sometimes in the New York PM session. Yeah. Please read carefully. You can now log into Rhythmic. However, the affected accounts were reinstated incorrectly, which is in purpose. But I can't log in. I tried to log in the Math Scalper, but I couldn't. Or do we? Let's try again. Everybody, if you guys want to try it again. Okay, I'll try to log in again. Who knows? 249, my funded future. Depends on which account you choose. A 50K evaluation account, they have a promo for June, 20% off. You get it for $132, including activation fee. So the expert account has the activation fee included in the price. So the 50K expert account is $132. No consistency rule, no withdrawal cap, and you can add to your losing trades if DCAing is not your sole strategy. Then you can add to your losing trades. So no end of day trailing and no daily loss limit. So you can get everything there. Subham, good morning. Yeah. So $132 for an expert account with including activation fee. Iran Export Pro, your expert partner from Iran. That's a mouthful, but I like that. I like the name. Thank you for joining. Thank you. So the 50K is which one is 249? None of them should be 249. Which one is 249? I wonder. At my funded futures. Start challenge. Let's see. Oh, the 150K maybe. I don't know. No. Yeah, the 50K is $132 if you use the discount code. BULENOX 170, you can do anything with Bule, no rules, only the 40% consistency. Yeah, so right now BULENOX has a sale, still 90% off. If you want to use the code up there, there's the code TOPSTEP1. You can do anything. There is so far at this point today yet, don't count that this is going to stay like this, but BULENOX has no rules. You can do anything on your funded account too. You can go with the news, you can DCA, you can do whatever the hell you want. But I think it's just a question of time until BULENOX is going to change that. So right now it's 90% off still. With the option 1 accounts, which is the intraday. Option 2 accounts, which is the end of day trailing, is 70% off. All right. So I don't know how long is BULENOX going to keep this no rules thing, but so far there are really no rules. The only rule at BULENOX is the 40% consistency. I mean, I went all over the fine print, the frequently asked questions, everything, and there is nothing about these rules, nothing. I mean, you can do whatever the hell you want on the funded account. For now. Basically, the option 1 account is the copycat of the Apex accounts. All right. I mean, I wouldn't go long here, that's for sure. I'm definitely not looking to go long. The only thing I would search for is some good short opportunities. So right now there's nothing to do. And by the way, guys, if you can, please push the like button and subscribe to the channel. Let's push it. I'm very glad that we are growing week by week. So thank you so much for the support. Please push the like and sub. There's going to be a new giveaway. Oh, I haven't installed it. I'm going to install it today. Okay, new giveaway is coming. Online Safety, good to see you again. Online Safety, I wish I could tell something technical about which direction to trade. We're at all-time high, so I'm just waiting. I'm definitely not going to take a long here. That is for sure. I'm not taking a long. Not that I don't want I mean, I don't like this one to go higher, but the only thing I'm looking for is maybe to take out some sell side liquidity, some shorts. There is one at 51.25, and we have some other order blocks. So the only thing I'm looking to go is take some shorts. I think it's pretty much priced in, and nothing is going to happen until the CPI news. I think the London session is pretty much dead this morning. It's pretty much done. So I'm doing the graveyard shift here. Nothing to do. Everybody's just gonna wait for the CPI news. If there's no movement until like 4 a.m. in the London Silver Bullet Hour, I think we're done. My issue with Buell was you had to leave the threshold. Told me at the third payout, yes, you can request the threshold too. If you reach third payout, you can request the whole threshold. So tomorrow I'm gonna YOLO. You mean today? Oh, of course, because you're in the past. I have no setup yet. Yeah, however, I see barriers above price. So yeah, I'm not gonna look for longs here. There is nothing I can look for. No resistance, no previous high, no price formations here, nothing. I have nothing to go for on the top here. So definitely no long positions for me, that's for sure. The only thing is to go short. I'm not in the States. I'm in Hungary, Europe, Hungary, solo trading. For me, it's morning time. For me, it's 8:18 in the morning. Yeah, MyFundedFutures expert account profit target is 4K. Yeah, so on the expert account, the profit target is 4K, but in exchange, you can technically have like almost all the freedom that you need. End of day trailing, no consistency rule, no withdrawal cap, so you guys can make $100,000 in a day. Tech111, Techy111, thank you for subscribing. Thank you so much for joining the channel. So in exchange, you can make $1 million in a trading session. And that's it. Kecskemét. Tamás, Kecskemét. For 50K, yeah. Good morning, AS. Are you sure about you can take the whole threshold after 3 payout? That's what support said, but you know, when I was trading with them, you couldn't before 150 days or something. It was written when you signed the contract. Really? I have to check on. Or maybe I'm mixing it. Man, I might be wrong here. I might be mixing it with Apex then. There are so many rules, guys. So many prop firms, different rules. The fine print could be different on every single prop firm. So for example, at MyFundedFutures, you can withdraw 60% of the safety threshold. That one I know. You can withdraw up to 60% of the safety threshold. Nice, Veszprém. Super. All right. I don't trade with them anymore, so I can check. Oh, you can check the contract. Let me check. I don't even know where I have the I didn't have a contract, by the way. Do I have a contract? Account sign up. No. Where do I have the contracts? Because withdrawal form, reports, payout requests, no. Market depth. I don't even have the contract here. I have no idea. Where is the contract? I don't know. Where is my BULENOX contract? TOPSTEP is 50%. Yeah. Yeah, Maxi. Oh, Balázs. Marosvásárhelyi. Welcome. Üdvözöllek. In the contract is written something else. Okay, I can't find the BULENOX contract, honestly. I have funded accounts with Bule. I'm trying to build them up. I can show you guys how I'm doing with BULENOX. I wanted to give you an update anyways. So currently I have 2 funded accounts with BULENOX. On one funded account, I'm at 1,247 bucks. This is one. And the other BULENOX funded account I have is 1,223 bucks. So I must reach $3,600, but I'm doing like $100 days, $150 days. So I'm taking it very slowly with BULENOX. Very, very slowly. Please go check a BuleFac. Okay, all right. Apex you withdrawal after 4 months. I'm gonna check the BULENOX frequently asked questions. There is always something above price. Always. That's true. That's true. Let me check the help desk. No, that's not it. Frequently asked questions at BULENOX. Master account. Withdrawal rules. Minimum withdrawal. Okay, so that's what they're saying. The minimum withdrawal of the 1 to 3rd payment is $1,000. Okay. The maximum withdrawal. Okay, after 3rd payout, there is no maximum withdrawal limit. The withdrawal safety threshold reserve limits. The withdrawal safety threshold reserve is defined as the minimum amount required. Blah, 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 blah. Subject to provisions of master accounts, traders entitled to withdraw safety threshold reserve upon the termination of the master agreement. So, what this means to me that I can withdraw all the safety threshold if I want to, but then they're going to close the account, right? That's what I'm guessing. So even if I reach, for example, the 36 on a 50K account, I reach like 2,600 plus $1,000 as the minimum withdrawal. That's why the target is $3,600. I can withdraw all the $3,600, but they are going to terminate the master account. Correct me if I'm wrong, but this is what I understand. I can withdraw everything from BULENOX on the first withdrawal, but the master account is going to get terminated. Okay? Is it correct? It should be correct. Hey V, good morning. So with MyFundedFutures, the monthly payment is only for evaluation. For the evaluation, after the pass, the is no activation fee. Yeah, exactly, AV. Exactly, AV. That's about it. It's only until you pass the evaluation account. That's only. If you pass it, then it's over. You don't have to pay anything after that if you pass the expert account. Yeah, of course, Camille, because I'm just wanted to make sure that if we withdraw, that they're going to terminate everything. Yes, they're going to terminate the account. But this is actually good news because, for example, you have three funded accounts with BULENOX. All of those 3 accounts, you copy trade them, for example. You take them to $3,600 on a 50K account. What I would do in this case, I would terminate one account. Why not? I withdraw $3,600 full. I don't care if they terminate the account. I can make one new account anytime, right? So I'm going to terminate the account, and maybe I'm going to leave 2 accounts left. Because, you know, having $3,600 today is better by losing it if you have a bad day, right? So what I would do is terminate one account. NQ price is currently testing the resistance, and yeah, unorthodox trend line. The H1. Oh yeah, looks ugly a little bit here, but I mean, looks bullish, that's for sure. But again, there is nothing. So yeah, a little bit unorthodox. Thanks. When I asked a couple of months ago, they would give you 25% before 50 days trade, 50 per. Yeah, so you know, that's all. I mean, I don't have the fine print, correct, Tom, but Methodical Man contacted them and they said only at the 3rd payout. So that's why I'm saying, like, I had some info about the 3rd payout and I don't exactly remember the details. They should put it out on the website or somewhere to make it clear. When we're gonna full send, we're gonna full send on CPI. I'm gonna full send 1 or 2 accounts. I don't want to waste too many accounts, maybe 1 or 2, but I don't want to waste 10 or 20 accounts. I mean, I have funded accounts now. I have to focus and concentrate on the funded accounts because I was actually wasting like 2 or 3 weeks in the past month too, like full sending evaluation accounts, and I lost a few accounts, and it's fun for a few times, but I just have to focus on building the funded accounts. I need to reach payout because I just need to. I need the dough. Looks overbought a little bit, yes, but no long positions, guys. If you guys want to go long, that's a crapshoot. Taking long here, we have no idea where it wants to go. The only thing I have is a whole number of 300. Best future prop firm, MyFundedFutures. Anybody ask me after this, I'm gonna say MyFundedFutures is the best futures prop firm out there. I don't care what anybody says. I love Apex, I love TOPSTEP. These are all great. They are superb. I think the best is MyFundedFutures. That's it. They are the best. They are the best. I don't care. I can say that by now. In the past few weeks and months, they have proved to me. I mean, with the details, with most likely what they're doing in the background, and with the small details to make the traders a better environment, MyFundedFutures is the best. That's it. I said it out. They can go away too. Any day, MyFundedFutures can go away. Any day, TOPSTEP can go away. So as Apex and BULENOX, and all these prop firms can go away any day. But at this particular moment that we're sitting here, I say MyFundedFutures is the best. Just check the true cost of funding, how much money you're spending on activation fees, all right, with the other prop firms. That's one thing. And how much freedom you get with trading. check the consistency rule, check the daily loss limits, check the withdrawal caps, check the payout methods and the time. The payout is like, now it's a few hours with MyFundedFutures. So check everything. Check the DCA rule. Check all this stuff. You can get everything with them. I mean, yeah, you can go with everything with them. All right, maybe I was a little bit too positive, but anyway, that's what I think. Scary longs, yeah. Do you think Apex trading is legit? They are legit. Akash, I think Apex is totally legit, and I don't care what anybody else says. I know it's a little bit strong. You might don't like me for saying that. Of course, I'm getting affiliate money from them. Yes, I know. I think Apex is totally legit. Yes, they're making money from their failed traders. Yes, but they are super legit. So that's it. And I know they're having issues, technical issues. Guys, they paid out so much money, and they are the oldest prop firm, one of the oldest prop firm in the industry. So, okay. They have issues. I know other prop firms are having issues. TOPSTEP had issues. MyFundedFutures, not so much. BULENOX had issues. Anyway, anybody can hate them. I'm not saying I love them, but they are legit. So, I was in and out $200. Nice. Do you have a special 90% code for Apex? Yeah. Like you don't know. It's up there. That's the 90% code. Check it out. That's a special one. Up there is the 90% code for Bully and Apex. Yeah. If you're asking MyFundedFutures, yes. Apex, I still don't. Yeah, I'm still working on Apex. I blew accounts. I actually blew my MyFundedFutures account too. Funded account like 2 weeks ago or 3 weeks ago. I was super frustrated. Jason Floyd, why? I don't know why, because I was talking a bit about too much stuff, but how many days they pay out? MyFundedFutures, they speeded up the process for a few hours. Usually in 1 or 2 days, you get the money, but last time, you know, for me it was on the same day. But I heard the guy, you received it in 3 or 4 hours. 4 hours. I think it was 4 hours. Yeah, there you go. AS got paid 40K. So I don't know. Anyway. It's not working today. Why is it not working? Oh, maybe because of the sale ended yesterday. Let me check it. All right. Maybe because they stopped the sale. Let me check. What could be wrong here? Could be an issue because they ended the sale yesterday. So, you know, I have to check them. Let me check the code. Check out also with the trade await. Maybe it's only not working for rhythmic accounts. The code should be working. If you copy paste it, somebody please check if the code is working. It should be working, right? No, it's not working. It's only 50%. Right now, the 50K. It seems like they're doing a 50% sale. $83 right now. Code's 50%. Yeah. Yeah, I just checked it. 50%. The code is down. So I told you guys yesterday and before that the 90% is going to end. So today's the last day to 90%. The BULENOX. So the BULENOX should be working today. The 90% sale. But Apex was very clear yesterday that they're going to end the 90%. So they ended it. It's 50%. Oh, your special one. Sorry. Don't work anymore, sorry. Yes, I got paid out with TOPSTEP multiple times, and I'm still funded with TOPSTEP. I have a funded account with them. Here it is. I have a funded account. I'm trying to get a payout. I reached above 2,000. I mean, I got payout from TOPSTEP, but I have this funded account since quite a while. Since December, you see this? December, that's... It says December. I have this funded account. I made multiple payouts, but I was above $2,000 and I lost back down to this. And I decided to work on some other funded accounts. But yes, I am. And yes, I do think that TOPSTEP is great. I think they're awesome. And I'm very grateful that I could trade with them. Is it the pump before the dump? CPI YOLO time. Yeah, could be. I use TradeAway, not working either. Okay, so the code, the special 90% is off. The only place you get the 90% now is BULENOX. Or MyFundedFutures expert account, which includes the activation fee. That's all. How many I have to trade to get payout like TOPSTEP? 5 profitable trading days above $200 per day. It doesn't have to be consistent profitable days. So if you have a profitable day above $200 and the next day you lose whatever amount, you're still going to have one profitable day. So 5 profitable day in between the payout, in between 2 payouts, that has to be over $200 one profitable day. Okay, so that's the rule to get a payout, and you can only, quote unquote, only take out 50% of your profits. So 50% of your profits you can take out. And if you, for example, you make like 5 profitable days, which is $200. So for example, you make $1,000 on your first 5 days, you can withdraw up to $500, but be careful because TOPSTEP is going to lock in the safety threshold to 0. That's the penalty. That's basically a penalty at TOPSTEP. If you withdraw before the safety threshold, you're going to get locked into 0. So that's the issue you have to deal with. So I would suggest you build up at least $2,000 to $3,000 with TOPSTEP, so you can withdraw 50% of that profit, but you're gonna get locked into 0. Is a static account, that is. In MyFundedFutures, man. How many? Oh, sorry. I am sorry. I'm sorry, Sofam. You don't need 5 profitable days. You just have to reach the safety threshold. There is no need to get profitable. In MyFundedFutures, you just have to make it above the safety threshold, and you can withdraw up to 60% of the safety threshold, and everything above that. Sorry, I wasn't reading. I was just talking out loud. So there's no rule like that at MyFundedFutures. Yeah, MyFundedFutures has TradeAway. Yes, they have TradeAway. Yeah, you're welcome. So the payout policy is a little bit more simple at MyFundedFutures. I mean, pretty much industry standard, you have to reach a safety threshold, but at least you can withdraw up to 60% of that too. But there's no pressure to make $200 per day So you know, anybody can have a bad day or a break-even day or a slow day, so that could be frustrating, and that is something I would love to be changed at TOPSTEP, but it seems like they're not going to change that rule. You know, when I got the payouts every time from TOPSTEP, it was awesome. It was a good feeling. But then the first feeling I got is that, oh man, now I have to start all over. I have to start building those $200 days. And for me, because I trade with micros, I'm not saying it's not possible, because you can definitely do it. But with trading micros, you definitely have to aim for those kind of profits a little bit harder. That puts you into an extra pressure. Sometimes I stop at $100 on a day, or $150. If I make $150 on a funded account, I stop for the day. I move on to the next funded account, which is going to be the next topic of one of my videos. When I started to trade with futures, I was all over to copy trade every account, to copy trade all the accounts. And then I realized, no, I don't want to copy trade the accounts, because that's so much pressure, that's so much emotions, and not to talk about technical issues that can occur any second. So there's so much pressure, especially on the funded accounts. I cannot take it. So now what I'm doing, I'm trading all my funded accounts separately. Every account. The only thing I copy trade every week is I flip the accounts once every week with one micro, just to make sure. But otherwise, I'm trading all the funded accounts separately, one by one. It slows down the process, but it takes off all the pressure, at least for me. I'm getting sick of Apex issues. It's I don't think it's only about Apex. I think I mean, I see some truth that it's about Rhythmic. Rhythmic is dedicated servers to process the data for Apex. So they connected their servers, you know, and Apex has definitely the most clients, the most registrations, especially in the past few weeks when they went down to 90% sale, and they just couldn't handle the data. That's it. So many demo accounts to handle and generate and then restart, blah blah blah, whatever. And I mean, it's frustrating anyway. I hope they resolve it, but I don't think they're doing it to screw out with everyone, because so far they have reset everybody. It's a technical issue. So they might dump and maybe 200-300. Yeah, I think so too. So trading wise, I think there is a huge dump in order. A huge dump. There could be, like, if you check the 4-hour as well, just look at it. I'm guessing there is like huge divergence here, higher lows all the way up, higher lows. I can imagine a huge dump. Like, this dump that's coming should be at least 300 to 400 points. We can go all the way down, even down to the 600s easily, or the 700s, 700-800s, super easy from up here, super easy. Definitely below the 900s, somewhere here. Should I wake up early? I don't know. I don't know, but this could be a huge dumpage. Maybe not after the news, maybe in the New York sessions sometimes. Maybe the news is just going to do the usual spike, and the FOMC meet a press conference, which is going to be in the PM session, I think, right? Or is it going to be PM session? Let me check. Yeah, it's going to be PM session. For me, it's going to be at 8 p.m. But for you guys, it's going to be at the 2 p.m. I think, Eastern Standard Time. So the FOMC is going to shake the market. Like, I'm going to show you what the FOMC is going to make. All right, let me illustrate to you how the FOMC is going to. So let's assume that this is right now the FOMC press conference, not the speech. The speech doesn't matter, guys. I'm not good in economics, but I know a guy who is super professional, and he always tells me, and he's right, the speech doesn't matter. Nobody cares about the speech. Actually, the market shits on the speech. Nobody cares what Powell is talking on the speech. It's a pre-written, usual boring stuff. Nothing. It's controlled speech. Nothing. The big thing is the press conference. The press conference where the questions and the answers are always a surprise, and that is what's shaking the market. Just check it out. The press conference is the real deal. Are we going to have a press conference? Yeah. Press conference is at 2:30. So that 30 minutes, that is going to be the big game changer. And so if this is the press conference right now, I think that's going to be at 2:30 Eastern Standard Time. Oh, hold on. Oh, sorry. Yes. The speech. I mean, there is a speech here. The statement is the speech. So there's going to be a statement by Powell at 2 p.m. And it definitely going to move the market in some way. But the biggest moves are coming at the press conference, because the reporters are going to ask, some of the reporters at least, very important questions about the inflation, the economy, and the recession and everything. So the way Powell is going to react to those questions is what's going to start to shake the market. Anyway, let's move on. FOMC, yeah, I know. I'm out of fantasy, yeah. Yeah, I just meant when Powell is start to speak and read the statement, nobody cares that much. I mean, definitely they're gonna care, but as the press conference is gonna be held, so I'm gonna go down to the 5-minute chart. Actually, let's go down to the 1 minute. So this is the 1 minute chart, and now the press conference is starting. Okay, let me illustrate. This is the press conference starting now. We're still in the press conference. This is still the press conference. This is still the press conference. Okay, so this is the press conference. That's how it can go, but no, not this much. Not this much. Actually, just check it out. You know, rewind your charts and check it out. Press conference starts, one up, takes out everybody on the top and on the downside. Hold on. Let me do something else here. So press conference here, takes out the lows, goes higher, takes out the highs, then takes out one more lows, and then takes out one more highs. So this is usually the press conference. I traded, but I mean, with less success. Thank you, crypto. I can't trade it really. I don't really care about it. I mean, when there's press conference, I don't listen to the press conference, and I'm not trading that session anymore, because this is what it does. Up and down, up and down. I mean, yeah, yes, that's true. I mean, absolutely. What I meant to say with this whole thing, and I know I'm not saying it all correctly, but what I meant to say is the FOMC, the whole FOMC thing is gonna do, like, it's gonna take out sell or buy side completely and turn to the opposite side. That's what's gonna happen. Just rewind your charts check the latest ones, check the past year FOMC meetings. That is going to happen. They're going to take out both sides. That is what's happening. So they're going to shake both sides. Yeah, it's me. You don't see me quite well. Camille. Buy the dump, sell the tips. Yeah. Tom, this is you. Never touched FOMC before. Yeah. Yeah, exactly, AS. I agree, AS. Absolutely. Don't do anything. The best thing is not to do anything at FOMC. I know everybody's gonna trade it. But that's the real truth. Don't do anything at FOMC because it's just gonna mess up everything. It's a legend. That's not what it does. You need to prepare for it. What do you expect to hear? Yeah, what does the market want? What did... that's why I'm saying if somebody is better at... That's true. A Docs Fantasy. That's... I mean, yeah. That's right. If you're into economics, the market, you know, fundamentals, definitely that's what you should do. You know, dive into what the market might want to do. What do you expect to hear from Powell? Exactly. So you can trade it, I guess. I tried it. I didn't succeed. I was lucky once or twice, but that's it. Most of the cases I burned myself with FOMC, just as with NFP. Actually, I was better with NFP. NFP, that wasn't that bad, actually, for me in the past year. NFP wasn't that bad, but FOMC, you can burn yourself very hard. Actually, I burn myself like almost 100% of the time. I burn myself with FOMC. And is any of what Powell's saying contradicting it? Yeah, I understand. Yeah, that's true. And I'm saying I have a friend who is trading fundamentals only. He doesn't care too much about technicals. He knows technicals, but he doesn't really care too much. He just draws some trend lines on the 1 hour, 4 hour. That's it, maybe, or pivot points. But overall, he trades using fundamentals. He's watching these kind of press conferences and reads the news. And he trades gold most of the time. And he does this. He reads all kind of economic news. He trades very small. And he just places his trades based on the news events. And that's it. Of course, he has stop loss and everything. He knows the technicals, but that's how he does it. And he makes profit with that kind of trading. He knows how to read between the lines. But I don't. It's all a scam anyway. It doesn't really matter what he says. Partially, that's true. Because even this friend of mine said that the thing is that even if you have a good fundamental analysis of the market, if the market decides to go the other way, you know, you cannot do anything with it. And usually, I mean, sometimes the market does quite the opposite thing. And that's the proof that there's a huge manipulation going on with every market. I mean, both with the index futures, with gold, currencies, you know, they are going to manipulate the big boys, the big players, banks, institutional players. They're going to manipulate the price as much as they can. And so you can read all the fundamentals if the market is just not going to behave as it should. So trick is to have conviction in what he needs to say, not where the market has to. Yeah, that's true. Fundamentals. Yeah, it's just about how you let the dust set. Yeah, so 99% of us, I think, are technical traders, and for that reason I think it's best to wait until the dust settles, which could take at least an hour. So maybe until the market close you can have some positions or some trades, but or maybe trade the day after, who knows. But By the way, the NFP, I made some good trades during the NFP. The NFP last time for me was very good. NQM1 order block inversion. H1 shooting star. Shooting star. Oh yeah. This one could be a shooting star. I was reading about candlestick charts a lot years ago, and then I haven't really traded them. But it's always interested me, like if you purely trade only candlestick charts, so nothing else. Maybe you can draw some levels, but you know, purely based on candlestick patterns. Sorry, not charts. Candlestick patterns, not charts, because we have the chart here. Candlestick patterns. That could be anyway. Order block 1 minute. The 1 minute order blocks are, in my personal opinion, I think they are pretty much not reliable. 1 minute order blocks, I don't trust them, especially in London, but you know, anything can go on. We have market open in a few minutes. Hey, market daily. Sorry, make daily pay with me. Sorry, I misread your name. Hi Tom. What is the max loss limit for 50k on BULENOX? I think it's 2500. It's 2500 or 25 or 2600. I think it's 25. Yeah, 25. NQM1 bearish. Change of character has now formed. Where? What? Oh, sorry, 1 minute. Change of character. Yeah, I mean, there was one here and one here. So if you guys were trading the 1 minute, maybe you could have had like multiple entries here. 64. Range wasn't so much, but yeah. Like you can go for 10 points. Shorts are incoming. You could be taking out these lows for sure. Why not? How much is the activation fee? No, it's absolutely. The activation fee for a 50k account is 148. 148 bucks for BULENOX 50k account. For the 100k account, it's 240 something, and for the 25k account, it's $140. And that is why I'm saying, with that kind of money, you can go for a MyFundedFutures account. Expert account, including the activation fee, is $132 right now. With no consistency roll, no withdrawal cap, end of day trailing, no daily loss limit. You can add to your losing trades if DCAing is not your sole strategy. You can add to your losing trades. Very fast withdrawals, bi-weekly payouts. So yeah, that's it. I think wait before London Open. I'm definitely gonna wait. I'm not gonna go into short right now. For me, I'm watching the 5-minute chart. I see no clean displacement. We are sitting on the VWAP, so anything can happen. I'm waiting for a clean displacement, and my target would be sell side at 232. Yeah, it looks like we're going below. So if somebody was short around 64, 65 on the 1 minute or higher, you guys should be in a 8 or 10 points profit. Allowed the 10 to 1 for micros. Yeah, that's the only thing they need to do. I guess they're still collecting data. That would be awesome. Because on the expert 50K expert account, you can only trade with 5 micros. That's the max. 5 micros, or you have to switch to 1 mini or 2 minis. That's the thing. With the starter account, there is a 1 to 10 conversion, so you can go with 20 micros if you want to. That's the good. In by the way, I don't care about the starter account and I mean the consistency rule on the starter account. It's perfectly fine by me. So if you guys want to dive in with cheap accounts to today's news events, I'm guess the cheapest upfront cost today is with BULENOX. So I wish Apex would do, not Apex, TOPSTEP would do similar things like this. I mean, some good sales, good promotions, but I guess they don't need it. They have TOPSTEP TV. So I just like leaving runners have to take profits. Yeah, me too. Sometimes, not always, but sometimes I like to have a runner slow open. Yeah. So totally forgot to say that London is open. Technically, we do have a displacement on the 5-minute. There was a small structure here, a swing low at 1:40 Eastern Standard Time. So maybe it could be a possible displacement. And 52, 20 points to reach the sell side there. I don't know if I want to take it. If I check this swing, well, optimal trade entry would be way up there for me. Yeah, Nascalp God is here. I think folks will hedge the micros, but I don't King of Weird because minis make more money. Yeah, maybe because of the bots. Yes, that's true. Naz, good to see you, Naz. Find an entry is hard. They did when TOPSTEP X happened. Yes, yes, I know. There was a good sale around that time. It's competitive. Yeah, $50 is competitive. But don't forget the activation fee, of course. But $50 is competitive if we're talking about upfront costs. Yes. Hello, Josef. Good question. Josef is asking if the rate decision is going to boost the market to the upside or not. Well, I think there are theories to both sides. So if they're going to leave it as it is, I think it could be, if they leave everything as it is. Now, I don't want to go into details because I suck at economics, so I know that there is explanation. So again, this friend of mine who is very good in economics and fundamentals in trading, he said to me that just as in technicals, while we're trading with technicals, also when you're a fundamental trader, there are explanations to both sides. So you can have a theory for both sides. For example, here about the rate decision. What happens if they leave the rates as expected? It can go up because this and this and this, but also it can go down because this and this and this. So I have no idea. I wish I could tell you. I wish. NQ, strong low taken out. Nice. Yeah, online safety, you're in a short, right? 40 point down, moving. Check DM, YOLO time, just waiting for. Let me check. Okay, YOLO. What is this, man? YOLO time ready. Okay. All right. Well, Cosmo. No, Crypto Panda. Sorry. I have so many names. Maybe I'll do a YOLO today with a few accounts. I still have a few, I think 2 or 3 untouched Apex evaluation accounts, and I have 2 or 3 from BULENOX too for these kind of opportunities. So I might going to play with a few of them. You could also wait to M15 to confirm the shift. Yeah, we can wait for that. We can definitely wait for that. And if we look at the 15-minute chart, this is like a bearish breaker at this moment. So if we wait for this we have to wait 7 minutes to close this one. This is a bearish breaker. If this would turn back, it could be a nice short from there on the 15 minutes. So good idea. Wait for it. You can wait. I have about 20 things confirming. Oh. All right. Okay. Look at the inflation. The question is, Tom, if you shorted on top, I don't understand. Jacques, welcome by the way, Jacques. I saw a trader from Hungary took out 1 million from Apex last month. Oh, nice. Nice. Inflation component is important. I know it is. Tom, do you use turtle soup? I know what it is. I don't use it. I don't trade it. I'm having a hard time how to use the turtle soup. I had a hard time too, so I stopped using the turtle soup. I know some traders are very successful with it. I'm not. It doesn't fit my personality in trading. So turtle soup entries for me are definitely for me. It's I tried it for quite a few weeks, maybe even months. I was not successful, and I didn't like the entry model. Like for me, it was a little bit I know it's all gambling, but the turtle soup was for me. I mean, I didn't feel it. I don't know how to explain. They don't have a lot of way to maneuver this. Yeah, that's true, Jacques. I don't trade ICTs. I just use it to communicate with noobs. Just to communicate with noobs. Oh my god. Okay, I know. I know. Arnold is making it too easy. Tap in. I'm not gonna jump in here. I don't like to chase it. Sometimes I do, but I don't like to chase it. And I'm not jumping into this one. But, you know, the 15-minute could be still good for a bearish breaker to take out some lows before the New York news hit. I like Tom. He has a nice manner about him. All right, thank you. Well, I don't know if I have a nice manner because I like to curse and swear as well, and I do lose my temper. But I don't know. I removed the sarcastic RSI on TOPSTEP X. Now I'm only 500 tick. Okay, VWAP. 2150, 200 EMA. Dokian channel with Hakenesh. I never even heard about what is that Dokian channel. I never heard about it in my life. Following the EMAs, but it could be good, I guess. Super easy. Nice. Nice. Naz, I really hope you can curve out your perfect edge there. I do hope. I know you're putting in a lot of testing and trading into this, so I hope it works out for you. I'm waiting for this 15-minute chart to retrace back up there. I mean, not this current candle, but the next candle would be better. I got it from the Robert Futures guy. Going to try it out. Nice. Don't need the Dokian channel, but it looks cool and help. Something like Bollinger. Okay, so I'm guessing it's some kind of a Bollinger Band stylish thing. That's awesome. That is awesome. So if anybody wants to YOLO with end of day accounts, I think the cheapest upfront cost would be at TOPSTEP for 50 bucks. So BULENOX and TOPSTEP. Oh, look at that, it's going down. So if you don't have an account with TOPSTEP or you would like to get the discount, just click on the link if you purchase, register. All right. Robert Anderson. But that is dope about that 500 tick chart. Too easy. All right. Seems like it could be awesome. Yeah, I'm waiting for that too. I'm waiting for that too. We still have a gap here on the 15-minute and in a good zone, optimal trade entry zone up there. So I can put a gap, for example, here. Let's see if it wants to go up there. Fair value gap. All right. Let's go with a smaller size here. It is useful. RSI VWAP 921.50 200 EMA Ductin channel with Hakenesh candles following the EMAs. This would be good for micro trading for sure, if you know how to use it. Yeah, I tried to understand a while ago, but couldn't. Must go get another go. All right. Apex hasn't updated the dashboard for me. They will, Crypto Panda. I think they will do like yesterday. They updated yesterday to a few hours later in the London session or until the New York session. I think they will do it. It is going to happen. They are going to update it. Don't worry. And one not. I think they're going to do it. So let me check. There's still a connection error. Let me check if I can log into Apex. I don't think I can, but okay. So the new 15-minute candle started. I wonder if we go back up there. If we would go back, I'd say I can give a try to this fair value gap. And take a short to take out that sell side. Yeah. Still waiting. Still waiting. By the way, I also have discount codes and link for Fake Profit Trader. No activation fee. A 50K evaluation account, including activation fee, is $102. There's only that one big downside is the daily loss limit. If you breach the daily loss limit, that's a hard breach. So you can blow the whole account. Just be careful. Otherwise, Take Profit Trader is good if you trade small and go for base hits. Stock RSI just reduces the amount of the opportunity, but will increase the quality of trade on the 500 tick charts. Did it make you FOMO? Huh? Hey Viox. Previous day high and previous day low. Do we use midnight to midnight, or you just go to daily candles? And I use midnight to midnight. I understand now. Midnight to midnight. So yesterday's midnight Eastern Standard Time midnight level was here. No, it wasn't there. Where was it? Sorry. I haven't moved it, sorry. Oh, it was, sorry. Yeah. Tuesday midnight level was here at 89. So the low was here and the high was here. Midnight to midnight. That's essential. Good question. I mean, for me, you can use different. If you have a system that works with the other opening, candle open, you can use that. I'm not saying this is the only. That's why I always say there is a million ways to skin a cat. If you use other, it's up to you. Yeah. Mark Douglas was right. Trading was easy this whole time. It was just our lack of being willing to follow a system. That's true. Poor cat. Yeah, poor cat. I'm feeding some stray cats in my garage, guys. Every day I feed them. Every day I take pictures of them. Stray kitties are down there in the garage. And I don't know what to do with them. I mean, I can't catch them. Here they are again. I just took this picture. Not a good picture because they run away. I can't catch them, but I always give them some food. And there are more. There are 4 kittens. These are just 2 and their mother, but there are 4 kittens. So anyway, I try to feed them. Have you seen the documentary Don't F with Cats? No, I didn't see that. I didn't see that. But I did see a documentary of why sharks are the best friend for bears. Why bears and sharks are best friends. And why sharks keep blowing up, you know. I know it sounds weird, but sharks and bears are nature's best friends. If somebody knows what I'm talking about, I'm gonna send you a gift or something. I don't know. This is the riddle. If somebody knows what I'm talking about, I'm gonna send you a BULENOX because it's cheap. I'm gonna send you a BULENOX, like $20 for a BULENOX account. If you guess why I said sharks and bears are best friends, but you're never going to guess it. Gotta watch out for your. Oh, really? Oh. Have you wanting to trade on tilt? Oh. Does TOPSTEP have activation fee after the 50? Yes, of course. $149. So overall, the true cost of funding at TOPSTEP is $200 on a 50K account. But definitely cheaper upfront cost. They both like fish. No, it's not. I mean, where do I get the reference? Like, where do I get this phrase? Bears and sharks are best friends. Nature's best friends. But you will never guess it. That's why I can say that. All right. Well, I'm gonna let you know about it later. I think I have it somewhere here. Uh-oh. Peter is getting somewhere. Peter is getting somewhere. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Peter is getting somewhere. Yeah. So, let's learn about why sharks and bears are best friends. Alright, while we're waiting for price.
Ah, yes, my documentary. Why do sharks explode? This is because sometimes their brains and sexual organs are made out of M80s. Sometimes, to attract mates, a shark will explode. And sometimes they explode just to attract giant killer bees. Well, no bees are gonna get in here. Not in my airtight fortress.
Yeah. Exactly. Oh, hey, keep on fishing. Just subscribed. Yeah. Space Ghost.
Ah, yes, my documentary. Bears and sharks always travel together. Just look at them, walking through the wooded forest, paw and fin. It's on account of their teeth that makes them nature's best friends.
So, they always walk together, right? That makes them nature's best friends. All right. How it worked today? Oh yeah, the propulsion block. Nice trade there. Crypto Panda, that is nice. That is nice. Okay, you take an Apex 50k. Peter, basically we're very close. If you send me an email, I can send you $20 for a BULENOX account. I told you, I'm sending $20 for a BULENOX account. That's all I can do. We have a $50 prize for the next giveaway. I'm saving that money for that. If you send me an email with your credit card number or PayPal address or bank account, then I can send you $20 that you can use for a BULENOX account. I can send you because you were like almost there, 99% close. No, I can. Peter, send me an email. Send me the details, and I will happily send it to you. With debit card, it's instantly there. In the same second, it's there. Or with PayPal. I'm happy to do that. Probably end up buying a coffee. Buy a coffee. Buy a coffee. Or a McDonald's or whatever. You're my guest. The show is Space Ghost and the episode is Kentucky Nightmare. Alright, look at that. We're going back to this area again on the 15 minute. So I might going to place a limit order at 58.50. I still can't connect to Apex, so I'm gonna go with BULENOX here. Because I do have this almost a brand new BULENOX account, so I'm gonna go 58.50. Sell limit at 58.50. Stop loss should be up there at the 70s. Yeah, stop loss at 72.50 for now. Let's see if it gets triggered or not. I'm gonna wait. Soccer entries. Nice. Nas is testing the strategy. All right, all right. Okay, I think I set up the 500 tick chart Nas has. All right. Let's go. You guys will make a system here and test it out for us. Log into RTrader Pro should work, but mine is not working. Really? So if I log into Rhythmic Trader Pro, it should be working, right? Okay, I can do that. All right, try to log in. Okay, it's slowly going up there. My neighbor is cutting the grass again. He's way behind schedule. This is only... Oh, no, this is the second time this week. So no, he's not behind schedule. I thought this is the first time, but no. Second time this week. So he keeps the 3 times average per week. So this grass is not going to grow. That's for sure. It says waiting for order connection. So I'm waiting. It looks different on TOPSTEP. So it's not connecting on Rhythmic on my end, but anyway. Maybe it needs some time. On the 15-minute, we're still just, you know, hovering here. There's a fair value gap on the 5-minute, that's true. Up here. I'm gonna wait. I'm not gonna enter into a short on this gap. So there's one here on the 5-minute. I'm gonna wait until the next one up there. If I want to enter this one. Yeah, it's not entering. I mean, it's not logging in, sorry. Waiting for order connection. So I can't log in right now. I would enter at this value gap, but I'm sure no, you're not wrong. I mean, if you want to take it a little bit aggressively on this gap, you can enter here. Why not? Absolutely, and target the sell side. Of course, it could be all right. Yeah, better wait for a breaker. So yeah, I'm gonna cancel the login. It's not logging in. Yeah, now to trade is like burning yourself, definitely. By the way, I think I said it already, but please push the like and subscribe to the channel. We're getting closer and closer to 10,000 subscribers. Really helps out the stream. Thank you so much. And BULENOX still has the 90% sale. Seems like Apex has already disabled the code, so sorry about that. I don't know if they're going to restore it for the New York session, but the 90% only works at BULENOX right now. MyFundedFutures 20% still works, but we have some codes for various prop firms in the description of the stream. You can check it out for yourself. Thank you for supporting if you consider to take any of those. Oh my, OMG, oh, my wife is more of a price action girl. She will love this chart. Pure price action, even more than ICT. Yeah. So everybody's buckled up for CPI and FOMC, right? Look at this perfect reaction on this 5-minute gap. It's a perfect reaction right now. If it stays like this, it's gonna dump all the way down to 32. Look at this, beautiful. Some FOMO will kick in, that's for sure. Even if I would have taken it, my take profit would be down there. Yeah, stop loss could be up there. But no, I couldn't take this. I wanted to wait for that fair value gap. So look at that. If you guys are in this, you're in like 7 or 8 points profit. Tom, can you... What? Tom, for defecation. Can trust these dudes with these affiliate links. One truth in life, never trust anyone, you know. As Michael Knight said in Knight Rider episode 1, season 1 episode 1 to Devon Miles, I'll never trust anybody again. So prop firms can go down every day. Prop firms are coming and going. Can we trust these prop firms? I chose these prop firms because, except BULENOX, but these are the big ones. BULENOX is, I mean, not that small as well, but I trade with them, I funded with them, didn't take payout with them, all of them, but so far these are in the top 5, I think, in the industry. Also, we have Take Profit Trader and some others, but do I trust them? I'm gonna say what Michael Knight said again. I never trust anybody again. So and will act like a car salesman. Yeah. So, but so far they give good conditions. Here comes the brookies from Jay's Brookie S Yellow Stream. What? I will be reporting to YouTube. No. Let's see where this goes. We could be going back to the 15-minute fair value gap. But not sure. Yeah, look at that. We have a retracement. Still could be going up there to the 15-minute gap. I don't know. YouTuber need to take some responsibility for shield these links to programs that don't work correctly. Oh, I see. Well, I hope they work correctly. I'm just saying, never put all your eggs in one basket. That's all I say. 15-minute gap should be. How far is that? 52, 58, 8 points. 8 points. I will report this to YouTube. Oh no. Oh no, guys, don't do this. Come on. So I think the 8 points is definitely not a huge target to go up higher into that 15-minute gap. So should be all right. Should be all right. Trading is risky. Yeah, trading is risky. Definitely risky. Which prop firm? Which link is that? Because for free trials, I think TOPSTEP gives you a 14-day trial. I don't know which link is that. Oh, Apex don't let you try. They have no free trial. They have no. I think TOPSTEP has a 14-day trial. And which prop firm is the other one? I think Earn to Trade or Trade. I don't know. One of those has a 14-day trial, I think. Yeah, it must be a money scam, right? Yeah, they had technical troubles with creating Rhythmic accounts. I'm not sure if TradeAwait is working yet with them, but it should be all right. BULENOX has? All right. BULENOX has the 14-day. All right. I never even knew that. If they have a 14-day trial, then at least you can try that. I mean, they have only Rhythmic connection, but yeah. So why sell to people if you know they're down? They're not down. They're working. So Apex is up. The website is up. You can also purchase accounts, so they're working. Ba-dum, 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 da-dum, da-dum, da-dum. Looks like this 5-minute gap is actually holding price. Yeah, so TradeAwait platform is working and the website is working. How much is that? It's like 17 points. Add TradeAwait also. Okay, so yeah, they said something. I haven't checked on Discord. Yes, they said it on Discord that they are not letting anybody log into their Rhythmic accounts until they fix the issue. It's only possible with TradeAwait right now. You can purchase accounts, but they're only going to let you log in, I guess, later, sometime during the day or by the news, hopefully. Serdar, good morning. I'm using Apex, yeah. Imagine TradingView came out with buy, bid, sell, ask, and tick charts. Well, you know, I think, do they have tick charts? They don't have tick charts at TradeAwait, I think. Well, I know the Discord day was halted. Yeah. But that's true. I mean, at least they could be suspending the Rhythmic account sales until then. But I guess, I mean, the activation or the new accounts are going to work sometime during the day. I don't think that they're going to let it like this until a few hours or maybe until the New York session. It happened before, so they're gonna let it work again. I am sure. It's a technical issue. Judah Barak. What? Because he a greedy YouTuber. Oh my god. Oh my god, guys. This is terrible. Still in this 5-minute gap. Still, I mean, I'm not jumping in now. If it would go up to the 15-minute, I would take it. Until then, I'm just gonna wait. You're done with trader weight. The fact that he knows they have problems and still shilling. I'm just saying that trader weight still works. I told that earlier, so TC, that's not true. So anyway, good morning, JR. On sub. Oh my god. No. These are the kitties. I'm gonna feed them today. Yeah, the trolls have arrived. Yeah. We love them. We all love the trolls. They're good people. They're just losers because they can't trade. So you guys are losers. You just can't trade. So you go to other people and say that you're losing. See you in New York, Peter. Call them. I'm not gonna call them out. These are losers. Probably living in their mom's basement as usual. So finally done. But no, this is the truth. I mean, these are facts. Probably 17 years old or 18 years old kids living with their moms. So it's fine. You can't blame them. Yeah, you can't blame them. These are kids still. No, Viox, not you. Not you. No. Viox, you're cool. You're not 17, you're 18. Not all of the 18-year-olds are trolls. Oh, I'm out of coffee. Their mummies don't give them enough attention. Yeah, probably. 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 Well, the world is not perfect enough. We all know that. Look at that. Went back to the 5-minute gap. So, man, Tom's showing his true colors. Oh my god. Now I'm gonna be like Patrick Wheeler now. No way around it. There's no way around it. Back in the 5. I'm still gonna wait for the 15-minute gap. Because we still have time. Although it's ready for dumping lower to sell side right there. Yeah, I don't care about them too. It's not moving. It's hovering. Yeah, it's hovering. I don't even know if it's gonna hover for too long. I don't even know if I want to take this short on the 15-minute fair value gap. Although it's a bearish breaker, but I don't know. My system hasn't generated a trade so far. Oh. I do care. I care about Viox. We especially care about you there. We do especially care about you. Is low, but I did not meant it for Viox, and they did not use my code. Who is DJ? Super funny personality. And he slots his Apex goes in the chat too. He trades till 5 p.m. and total clown. Nice. Oh my god. Mission 78 is not gonna use my codes anymore. That's bad. I mean, that is bad. Come on. Come on. It's going back to the 15-minute. It's going back to the 15-minute. For sure. Dun, 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 dun. Done with this channel. Oh my god. I like Zero DJ. He cracks me up. No. Oh man. I guess it is what it is. Waiting for a setup. I don't know. We should be streaming and trading the news. That would be great. Pablo Rodriguez, I split the order. I enter now half of my position and I have the other half. There's the stops. Oh, I see. Well, let's see. Let's see what happens there. I'm still gonna wait for this level and then I will decide what should I do. The time 12, worse than a car salesman. I always wanted to be a car salesman, by the way. When I was younger. I'll call you too. It's definitely holding price. So this resistance zone, we can call this, I guess, is holding nicely. Very nicely here. Mobile phone salesman, yeah. That's good too. Sometimes they make good money, you know. You're ruining your channel. Rip before you can even get started. I understand the need for money, but do it respectfully to people. David Jackson. I don't know what you're talking about, but I definitely will do that. I don't know. I think I said to a 16-year-old kid that he's living in his mom's basement or something. Oh. And David also feels bad about calling someone a loser. So I don't know. I don't know anymore. I don't know anymore. I think I hurt someone's feelings. Yeah, I think they're having emotional turmoil. Someone needs to be 300. I'm not gonna do anything for now. It's fine. I do feel that sometimes we get emotional. That's true. That is true. We all have emotions, especially in trading. That is a fact. And we're slowly taking the stairs to that gap. Yeah, I mean, who to blame, of course. Well, people so soft these days. Can't say anything without people crying over their spilled milk. Yeah. Ban the wankers. Well, I never banned anybody. So there's not one people who I banned so far. I might as well have to start somewhere. So I would be curious to check out Patrick Whelan's list of banned people. I think he's using the ban hammer like every 5 minutes or 2 minutes or something. Yeah. Oh yeah, could be. Could be. That's true. That's true. The world above. Not smart business. That's true. That is true. Look at this. We're going down. On 30 minutes, there is only one fair value gap. One fair value gap. Let's check the 30 minutes. Yeah, there's one. Well, it's the same as on the almost the same as on the 15-minute. Down there in the description, I think. Let me check it out. There should be one somewhere. If not, then not. I knew I had one. Yeah, there's a code down there. Link. Is that a trader promo? What did happen? Doesn't matter about if you are an ethical person. Doesn't matter the amount of money. Yeah. Yeah. Since he only cares about the money, I won't use his code. Oh, RT. You were here last time, right? Oh, sorry to hear that. Let's see. What is going on? Yep. It's still hovering, but I don't know if we're gonna go back. Tom shot himself in the foot this time. What? Letting people like Naz. What? Naz egg him on? I don't understand that. Dun, 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 dun. Still no entry. I told you about MyFundedFutures earlier in the stream. About the rules and the stuff they're going to implement. I mean, they already doing a lot of things, but I told you about it. Oh, I'm sorry about that. Stay true. But thank you for bringing that to my attention. I will definitely remember it. I don't know. Yes, I don't know. I don't know what's going on. I don't know what's going on. You changed your mind. Come on. It's perfectly fine. It's perfectly fine by me. I don't sound honest. Well, that's it. Is there? I don't sound honest. I'll solve these girls out. I understand the frustration. I don't know where these guys came from. I have no idea. I guess they came from one group or something. I don't know. Yeah. That's what I'm checking too. I checked. I mean, probably 1 or 2% with the fake accounts. Look at that. What's going on here? Do we have some news? Let me check the financial juice for this. We're going back to that area, but no news. Almost went back to the 15-minute gap. Do I still have my limit order? I still have it on. Almost triggered, but it's not there. There's no raids on YouTube. I never banned anyone, so... Yeah, the breaker block is definitely attracting price. That's why I'm waiting. I'm still not sure to take the trade or not, because it's like 4, 5... I'm not sure if it's gonna be enough time for this 15-minute breaker block to play out. 58.50 looks tempting, but 58.50, yeah. Anyway, I have a limit order at 58.50. Okay, that should be Well, it's inside the fair value gap, so let's see how it goes. My limit order is 58.50. It's not triggered yet. It's not triggered yet at this point. If you let these dummies cause you to lose subs, it will be your own fault. Some people dwell to make chaos instead of letting you work it out. Yeah, that's true. The world above. What should I do? Do you think I should ban them? I don't know. I mean, I wanna know what should I do, because I never banned anyone. So should I ban these people? Can I put on a poll? How can I put on a poll? Start a poll. Oh no, it's not working. End poll. Start a poll. Should I ban the trolls? Ban the trolls. Okay, it's starting. There's the poll. You guys can help me out with this one. The vote is on. Help me out. I'm in the trade, by the way. So the decision is gonna be in your hands, people. I'm gonna end the vote in 1 or 2 minutes. I'm in this trade with BULENOX, MNQ. Okay, so this is the trade I'm in. I don't have a take profit level yet, but I think it should be down at 233. 233. But I think it's gonna go higher. Okay, let's see. Why ban people? Why simply saying the bottom? Why simply saying they bought from you and it doesn't work? That happens in any sales transaction. They didn't buy it from me, first of all, but I understand. Kitties again. The trolls will vote no. Subtract 12 from no's. Okay. All right, I'm ending the poll. 67% said yes, ban them. So what should I do? What do you think about CPI? Well, do not trade it. We absolutely have no idea where this can go. CPI, well, expectations are it's gonna stay as it is. It's definitely going to spike both ways if you want to trade it. Technical issues, yeah. My stop loss is at 72. Let me show you. There's my 72.25. I didn't put it to the top because if it goes up here, it's definitely going to go through the 76 anyways. So if I don't want to see a trade up there because then it's just going to go through. But this is the position I'm in, only with micros. So send them to Valhalla. No. Yeah, definitely not trade the. Do not trade the news. I'm not going to ban anyone, by the way. Just saying. Never banned anyone. I'm not going to start today. Yeah, trade the reaction. Actually, wait until the dust settles at least 15 to 20 minutes. And that should be all right. Yeah, that's true, DM. Let's see what is going on. So far, it looks all right, but it looks good on the 15-minute chart. Hoping that it will drop, but you know, I'm not gonna wait until it breaks the wick at what's the low at 32. I'm gonna take profit 33.25. Took profit. Nice. $240. That is awesome. Congratulations. Congratulations. Yeah, we're stuck in this area. Let me delete this. Let's see if the fair value gap is going to hold. Let me put this to the front. On the 5-minute, no structure shift. So it can still go down. But this gap can be holding. So I'm gonna wait and see what it does. Better not be complaining anyone, chat. Yeah, I'm not banning anyone, by the way. So I'm sorry if I offended anyone by the ban. I'm not gonna ban anyone. The only reason I would be banning someone, I think, if they would be taking it on a personal level, like cursing and swearing and stuff like that. I think that would be a ban. But You know, I understand the opinion that everybody's frustrated about the technical issues. But it's not my fault if Apex has technical issues, I can say that. And you can still buy trade await accounts, and that's it. And the Rhythmic accounts are gonna be active today. We are in the Sabo box, yes. What's unicorn model? Well, the unicorn model is when you have everything. You have the liquidity sweep, you have the market structure shift, maybe it's even a bearish breaker with the fair value gap, with an order block, which is even better if you have an order block behind it somewhere to the left, and you have everything. That's the unicorn model. Well, when like at least 2 or 3 entry models are playing out at the same time, well, that's pretty much a unicorn model. Although unicorn models, like, they're not a guarantee as well. They have a higher probability, that's for sure, especially on higher time frames. Maybe it's unicorn model, I don't know. I don't think so. On the 15 minute, it looks nice as a breaker. We have a shift, we have a displacement, we have a fair value gap. Risk to reward is good, liquidity sweep. So the 15 minute looks very good for the short. But the thing is that we still have a lot of time until, I mean, not a lot of time, but I guess at the end of the London kill zone, price could be slowing down as we're approaching to London lunchtime. So we can just flat out until the CPI. No movements until then. We should be seeing a sharp drop from here if they want to finish the move, for example, until 6 a.m. But it's not happening right now. London kill zone is until 5 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. Yeah. So if you're trading London, you should be finished. I mean, the move should be finished until 5 or 6 a.m. even though 6 is technically after the kill zone, but institutional or bigger players should be finishing up their move until 5 to 6 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, if there was a move even planned out for the London session. So it is what it is. No, not on a funded account, not yet. Yesterday I took trades on 2 funded accounts, ended up with profit, but today no trades. No trades today. No trades today. Yo, Emily. Just tuned in? Nice, good to see you. Best day of the year to trade, I think. CPI plus Fed. Almost risk-free day. Yeah, Kim. Absolutely a risk-free day. That is true. Absolutely risk-free day. So with BULENOX, you can still go with the 90% sale that is still on for CPI or FOMC if you guys want to go for it. It's still on. Apex turned it down to 50% right now. Take Profit Trader is still good. $102 for a 50K evaluation account, including activation fee. but be careful with the daily loss limit because that's a hard breach. Otherwise, some good sales. If you're new to TOPSTEP, 20% additional discount, and MyFundedFutures, 20% discount from the expert accounts. And pretty much the expert accounts gives you the most freedom. No consistency rule, no withdrawal cap, end of day trailing, no daily loss limit. So pretty much everything you want. Fast withdrawals. I made most money on a huge Nasdaq red day. Oh really? 7K. Wow. FV creating, yeah. I'm in a trade, by the way. So here's my trade for now. Looking okay with micros. You guys see it? Yeah, you see it. All right. So I'm taking profit at 33.25. If it goes down, based on the 15-minute bearish breaker. Based on the 15-minute bearish breaker. Let's see. Coach Dakota doing 40Ks regularly. Wow. He's doing 40K regularly. That's awesome. I will protect my short as AGLO and take some profits. Nice. See you tomorrow, Pablo. Thank you for joining the stream. Good to have you. Have a good one. Have a good one. Every winner is a step in the right direction. So well done. Yeah, absolutely. So maybe I should be taking some profits. What do you guys think? I think because it's CPI, I'm gonna sell most of these. All right. So I sold the contracts and I am going to modify this, and that's it. Actually, I can put it to break even. 58.20. I'm not usually doing it. Let me just lower it. There. So now it's at break even. Took some partials. Unicorn model Michael Helliston is the best in the world, even the universe. I definitely learned a lot from Michael, a lot from him. So, although I still say that, you know, ICT concepts are, well, I know I mean, some models are rebranded by him, I think. For example, the fair value gap, I found educational books online on forums about fair value gaps and order blocks from the 80s or 90s books before 96, because he said nobody came up with this thing before 1996. Well, there is books about order blocks and fair value gaps before 1996. So I saw it. I think I downloaded it somewhere in the technical analysis books in PDF, and it's talking about order blocks and fair value gaps. Not like saying order blocks, but orders in blocks or something like that, and gaps that are repriced all the time. I mean, not all the times, but gaps that are being repriced in many cases, accumulating positions, stuff like that. I will top Dakota's numbers. Nice. That is a good goal. That is a good goal. That is a good goal. I like that. Let's see. The US markets are closed on Friday because of what? June 18th? Friday is gonna be closed. Andrea Baldelli, thank you so much for the subscription. Welcome to the channel. Welcome, welcome. Oh, you didn't hear the applause, so let me give you a proper applause. Thanks for joining. Thank you for joining the stream and the channel. All right. So it's slowly getting back to my break-even stop, but it's still okay. You feel more bullish than bearish? Yeah, could be. Gabor Dehan, Holly, welcome, üdvözöllek. Hey there. Oh, you missed the show. You missed the show, Gabor. ICT never came up with anything. He just used other people's work and put his own names on them. You traders think he's the best. Yeah. You just woke up. Oh, yeah, of course. It's still nighttime for you. Like, almost. $434. Oh yeah. You had to piss. Oh. Oh, látnod kellett volna. Betámadtak a trollok. My mistake. It's a new holiday. Yeah. I was checking it too. Baby. They're 2 months old. Oh, that's nice. 2 months old baby. Good morning, Kojak. Let's get it going. Oh, we have 2,240 subs. That is awesome. Thank you for the subs, everyone. Oh, you love Tom Sabo. That's why. All right. Ez de csinálj megvenni, hogy előbb valami, és utána nyitni egy accountom, és meg lenne behozni. Hát... nem is tudom. Funded számla? Ha funded számla, akkor ne csinálj semmit. Ha evaluation, akkor megpróbálhatod előtte megnyitni. Én úgy szoktam, hogy előtte megnyitom. Nem funded, oké. Én előtte meg szoktam nyitni. De előtte egy 20 másodperccel vagy 15-tel szoktam megnyitni. Beállítom a take profitot. Ennyi. Ha lesz szúr, akkor vége. Akkor a stop loss se fog kiszedni. Igen, ez a probléma. Ez a probléma. Alright. Just talking bit Hungarian here. Nem tudom, hogy long-e vagy short. Az a baj, hogy a kamat döntéskor föl alá. So, Joseph is just asking if the, rate decision should be a long position or not. It should be spiking up or not. To be honest, the rate decision, even if it stays as it is, as expected, the rate decision could be spiking both ways. So, could be spiking both ways. That's the problem. We could see a spike like 50 points or 40 points in both directions. That is why, if I were you, I'm gonna talk Hungarian for a second. Ha én lennék, ha te helyedben lennék, én nem a CPI-ra fókuszálnék, hanem a sajtókonferenciára FOMC után. De, na mindegy, ez csak én vagyok. Amikor elkezd válaszolni az újságíró kérdésekre, na akkor elkezd pörögni rendesen, egy irányba. Oké, jó. Tehát én a CPI-ra lehet, hogy játékból elnyomok egy-kettőt, de az is pénz, de inkább konferencia. Az gambling, igen. Így van. Így van. Bocs. Szóval inkább várd meg a sajtókonferenciát, miután felolvassa a szöveget. Yeah, I know it's sexy, right? Hungarian language is sexy. Yeah, no need to go crazy on the news. Yeah. So Gabor is saying it has been priced in already. That's what I think so too. They pretty much priced in the market. I think at news conference or after the news conference, maybe we can see a huge dump, or during the news conference. I would be more bearish because I think the market is pretty much priced in at all-time high right before these high impact news. So they want to dump it for sure. But first, they might spike it higher and then huge dump. But maybe. Long funded gambling. Yeah, JR. Yeah. Yeah. It's going to be epic. Yeah, it's going to be. I'm about to go make a dump in the bathroom. That's another dump too. So that is something you can go with too. That is a valid dump. That is a valid dump. I feel some high octane scalping fingers. How long you have to wait on Apex to trade news? I think 2 minutes. Something like 2 minutes or something. Hogy kell lenni a 250 esetőről? 10-15k, 10-15 mini. 10-15 mini környéke lenne az, ami jó lehet. Igen, valahogy úgy. 250k challenge, boom or bust. If you're scared to go to church. Yeah. By the way, I've totally forgot to say Wyox from earlier. Or maybe I said it, I don't know. I'm sorry if I offended you if you're 18 or something. I didn't mean to say that, so I hope you didn't take it that serious. But I might be a little bit emotional in the minute. But it was not for you, you know. What is happening here? So I'm still in this. I offended you. Viox, what can I do to make you better? To feel you better? Those people are definitely gone. I don't know. Gonna be honest with you guys. It does affect me emotionally. So it would be a lie. It affects even Peter Wieland or whoever is streaming on YouTube. It does affect one on stream if the trolls come in. So even Methodical Man would be affected. I know he's saying he's not, but I think he would be. Make you rich. Yeah, trolls. Tom, you make me cry all the time. Still love you, alright. I'm trying to. Yeah, trolls, Gabor. Some trolls came in and they hurt my feelings. I was emotional. And I called them losers who are living in their basement with their moms. Everything got out of hand. Everything got way out of hand. I called them losers and I didn't ban them. And they told me some very true things, which is actually true. Actually, a good point. Why do I promote Apex services while they can't access the Rhythmic accounts? That's true. I give it that. But the trade await is working. So I told them, you are losers who are living in your mom's basement. So everything got way out of hand. Trade away does work. And they told me they're going to report my channel to YouTube. So it was very emotional. It was very emotional. I'm going to get reported to YouTube for promoting something that is scamming people. So it was very hard to deal with. All right, I hope you guys see I'm smiling, but it was very hard to deal with. Yeah, but seriously, no troll. It did affect me emotionally. So it did affect me. The good thing I wasn't in the trade. While you're at it, full send 270 micros. Yeah, full send 5 contracts per killer, no drawdown. Sounds almost like internet Gestapo. Yeah, that's the part of the game if you're a YouTuber, but I don't see a lot of people trolling in real life. Yeah, I'm a scammer, I know, but I mean, until this time, nobody really told this to my face, you know, even on YouTube, but I guess I have to accept my fate, and you know, it's hard to deal with. Keyboard ninjas. It affected me. Honestly, guys, I don't care if they are still here or not. It affected emotionally. As I was watching the chart and I was looking at the screen on the chat, I was feeling bad about it because yeah, it affected me. And that's why I'm saying it's a good thing I was not scalping or doing trades. It did affect me. But I'm not going to, I didn't ban anyone. I'm not going to ban anyone. There's 1 or 2 things while I would ban someone, but it was not a reason to ban someone. Anyway. It was YouTube. It was YouTube. Bad news. Bad news from YouTube. They said I have to stop streaming. I got a 30-day ban for calling people. For calling people names. So I'm gonna get a 30-day ban starting today. So I have to finish up the stream, I guess. No, I'm not. But I'm gonna. Yeah, it was YouTube. They're calling me. I would have banned their candy asses to them in about 10 seconds. I wish I were here. Yeah. Yeah. Anyway, I'm not gonna cry about it, but I'm just saying that yes, it affects me. And don't think even Patrick Wieland is affected by these people. Why do you think he gets so emotional and he starts to curse around and calling them F names and something like that, and he bans everybody? Because I like Patrick Wieland, but he, if someone is saying like the slightest negative thing, he says the F word and he bans everyone in his chat. So he gets emotional, trust me. Although he enjoys it, but he gets emotional. He enjoys it. But I'm not that kind of person, so. You sniper gang, what? What does that mean? Anyway, this trade was good. I mean, at least I took some partials on this. Let me check if I can connect to Apex Rhythmic. Trade await is working. Yeah, we're all human. Ba-dum, ba-dum, ba-da-da-dum, bum. Oh, look at that. Went back into the gap. So if I would not have taken this to break even, this would technically be still a valid trade. Just saying. So this would be still a valid entry. This is where I got out break even. So technically on the 15-minute chart, this trade is still on. But the problem is, as we're getting out of the kill zone, you know, as we're approaching CPI, it can flat out. Okay, it seems like Apex is connected. Okay, Apex is back online. The Rhythmic accounts are back. So anyone else smoke rosin tabs while crushing it to Nasdaq? No, I don't do that yet. But Naz, hey, enjoy. Nothing kill zone, yeah. We still have like less than 6 minutes from the kill zone, but yeah. Mitch K, long time. Hey, good to see you. How you doing? Good to see you. Been trading well? Alright, that's awesome. Well, I'm grinding here as well, trying to get to those payouts as everybody else. So, on TradingView, why is my feed Q0 what? Q 0 minutes behind. I don't know. Do you have a TradingView subscription, by the way? David, hello. I would like to try BULENOX, but I would like to know if BULENOX has no problem. It has no problem with Rhythmic. It never did have any problem with Rhythmic. And also today is the last day on BULENOX to have it for 90% off. They might even disable it during the New York session. They did it yesterday. So the 90% sale today at this moment is still on, but it's definitely the last day for now. I mean, with BULENOX. Apex already disabled the 90%, we just realized. So no issues so far with Bully. Nothing. There's a minimum 5 days to pass BULENOX accounts, but you can flip the rest of the days. So you can pass it in 1 day and flip it for 4 days. And that's it. Got rid of my Miss Columbia Online cam girl. All right. I feel relaxed and ready to crush this. Nice. All right. Nice. Whatever makes you feel better, you know. Whatever. So this trade is still valid. All Rhythmic accounts are back at Apex, by the way. I just checked it. I logged in. Everything is working. Trades can be placed. So everything is working right now with Rhythmic at Apex. So everything is back. Everything is back. All right, let me see. We're just waiting. This trade can still go down. I'm just waiting. All right. Let's wait for the next move. All right. Still waiting. Trying to figure this out. Double top. Well, maybe. Let's see. Double top, never good sign. Yeah, maybe. Might not be the best option. Seems like it's just, you know, getting unplugged again. Nasdaq is just unplugged. I messed up on the entry. I mean, I entered on the 15-minute, which was good. I took partial, and then it got the rest of it at break even. So the entry was sort of okay. So but I'm okay with that. At least I took some partials on it. So that's not a bad thing. Let's see. Let's see what goes on. Nothing. It stopped officially. I don't even know where to put this further. I mean, where could be any targets on this one? I guess it's just better to wait. But I don't think there's gonna be any other major moves until the CPI. I'm not in any position, as I have no position. I can show you that. I have no open positions. I didn't open anything. Milyen döntés? A visszautasítás, vagy nem tudom. Nice. YouTube. Oh, nem lettem letiltva. Nem lettem letiltva. De mondták, hogy riportolnak. De nem vagyok letiltva. Egyenlőre. Why do you look so mad? I'm not mad. I was reading and I was still waiting. Bocsi, én mondtam, hogy vicceltem. Gábor. Mondtam, hogy nem vagyok. Azt hozzátettem. Lehet, hogy csak elharaptam a végét, de mondtam, hogy nem vagyok. Bocsi. Egyenlőre legalábbis, de írták többen, hogy riportolnak, úgyhogy riportolva leszek. Sorry, Naz. Sorry, Naz. I am sorry. Reklám. Sorry. All right. This was actually a good setup, but as I said, because we're getting closer to the news, well, you know. Meet me out back of this dumpster. Oh, good morning, Isham. It's a good thing that we have Naz to keep me smiling. Yeah, we have good company with Naz. We have a good company with Naz. Good morning, Mary. No, waiting on the mic should have arrived. Nice. Wow, immature. What? Look at it. We're slowly taking the stairs up here. I guess no trades in this. No structure shift. Nothing to look for. Nothing to look for yet. Oh yeah, it's super difficult to decide what to do at this point. 4:10 a.m. Wow. You're up early, that's for sure. Early bird. right from Temu. Everywhere is Temu right now. It's the most popular. You didn't think you would still be on, my friend. Glad you're here, though. You didn't think you would still be on, my friend. Oh, sorry. I can't read this morning. I'm on. I don't know what to do, by the way. I don't have any trade setups. We had the short. Life of a mom, day trader, and a full-time job. Yeah. Don't have a choice. I'm out. The thing is that as much as we would like to do something here, there's no setups. No setup. Robert, have you looked at Bookmap? Could be useful tool. Yeah, I sometimes I look at it, but most likely when I looking for like small range trades, scalping or something like that. Oh, nice. Derpidity, congrats. Good morning, Alicia. Good to see you again. Temu is very popular all around because they have cheap stuff. Yeah, this looks like yesterday. We almost had a good trade. I mean, I had a good trade, taking partial profits here earlier, but it went back to my break even. It's not a problem, but I think it's going to stay like this until CPI news. So, not really. I don't really think there's anything else to do with it. You will still shop Temu. It's very popular. Is the Apex sale? I think that it stopped. It's like 50% now, but you can check it. The BULENOX sale is still on 90%, so it's still working. Well, for the time being, Mary, Temu is legit, at least in my country here in Europe, but they're already trying to do some sanctions against Temu. So, because they are selling very cheap stuff. I don't know how they do it, but oh, look at this, we're going higher. Oh yeah, it still says 90%. Sorry. We thought that it's gonna stay today for 90%. I didn't update it. I'm sorry about that, but I will update it. I've seen it online, but I think it was, yeah. They lose on every sale just to get in monopole situation. Oh wow. Okay, so that's how they do it. Child labor. Temu is Chinese. I have some videos how they work at Temu, and it's really like a sweatshop. On the video, it seems like it's a sweatshop there. Cheap stuff, but it works. Yeah. Can we watch more Adult Swim? Yeah, we could. Are they gonna make a new all-time high? Maybe. I don't know. It can be, but there's no shift yet to the upside. I don't want to trade for the all-time high yet. All right. Okay, guys, I think I'm going to cut it here. I'll be back in the New York session because there's no trades to take here. At least I made some partials and it was not that bad. So we'll be back trading some news and we'll see how the New York session goes. Thank you so much for watching. If you didn't already, please sub to the channel, push the like, and if you would like to support the BULENOX, 90% is still on. Check out their other discounts as well. If you would like to trade with futures, thank you so much again for watching and see you guys in the New York session. Let's see some news. Have a good one, everybody. It was good to see you. Cheers, everyone.